Welcome to this tutorial on how to relate water at 4 degrees Celsius to mathematical concepts like volume, capacity, and mass. To demonstrate these concepts, we will use a cylinder described by height and radius. Assume that the cylinder is completely filled with water at 4 degrees Celsius. Now, we need to know about the properties of water at 4 degrees Celsius. The most important one of these is that at this temperature, water is at its highest density, at 1 gram per centimeter cubed. As the temperature of water increases, its molecules will be more energetic and spread out. This means that fewer molecules will stay in a given area. Thus, the mass of a container can stay the same, but the density of the water inside will not. A good comparison would be if everyone at a pizza party received one slice of pizza, but each individual slice became smaller as more people arrived. Thus, the amount of pizza available stays the same, but the amount of pizza each person receives is much smaller at the end than at the beginning. In order to find the capacity and mass of a cylinder, we need to find its volume. Let's say we have a cylinder with a radius of 10 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. We can find the volume of this cylinder by using the formula for finding the volume of a prism. Area of the base, shown as AB, times height of the prism, shown as AP. Since we are dealing with a cylinder, we need to express the formula for the base as pi, or 3.14, times the radius of the circle squared. According to BEDMAS, we need to square the radius, or in this case 10, to give a result of 100. This leaves us with pi times 100 before we can solve the area of the base. The final result of this multiplication is 314 centimeters squared. Next, we need to multiply 314 centimeters squared by the height of the base, or 8 centimeters. Doing this will leave us with a final result of 2,512 centimeters cubed, which is the volume of the cylinder. Next, we need to calculate the capacity of the cylinder. We will be converting our volume from cubic centimeters to milliliters, to which there is a 1-to-1 conversion ratio. Thus, the cylinder has a volume of 2,512 centimeters cubed and a capacity of 2,512 milliliters. Finally, we need to find the mass of the water stored inside the cylinder. As mentioned previously, the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cubed. This means that in order to convert from capacity to mass, we need to multiply the capacity by 1. Since the volume and capacity of the cylinder are exactly the same. Thus, the mass of the cylinder is 2,512 grams. I hope you found this tutorial informative, so that the next time you need to find the volume of a cylinder, you know what to do. Stay tuned for more episodes and have a great day.
Created using Powtoon.